Good morning. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. We took some time. 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 Let me see what we got here. AVM 44. New name here. Good morning. Money Glitch. Hello there. Good morning. Trading Academy. Good to see you there, brother. And yeah, I had to take a little bit of a break. Had to take a little bit of a break, and for honestly, for obvious reasons, my mind was my mind wasn't there. My mind was really not there. But anyway, before we get into that, let's go ahead and get into these markets real quick. We're about to my little timeout time is about to end here. So quick little mic test real quick, guys. Can you hear me okay? Is everything okay? Am I audible? All that good stuff. It's been about, I want to say 10 days since I've been here on the since I've been streaming here, so I just want to make sure that my levels are sounding okay. Let me go here. Go to properties real quick just to make sure. Okay. That's what I was afraid of. See, there we go. First mistake of the day. Sorry about that, guys. I knew something was off. Turn that down. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So you had to actually turn to my mic. Why OBS didn't do that in the first place, I don't know. But let me just say all of that again. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me turn this music down just a little bit. It's a little loud in my ear. Go here, turn this down just a scooch. Just a bit. Actually, we'll leave that level where it's at. Cool. Cool. We are back. We're back. Back like we never left. Pressing buttons. Getting used to stuff again. Let's drag this over here. Drag this over there. Cool. Bow. Okay, let's start marking stuff up, guys. Let's start marking stuff up now. Okay, so on the 1 minute, or on the 15, we got a little closure here. So I'm going to mark up my opening range. Once again, 1 minute, beautiful SBS and above EMA. Okay, so let me hurry up and get down there then. Here's my opening range. Right now it's kind of telling me that I want to stay bearish, but let's see what we got here. Let's make sure I'm not missing nothing. And oh wow, yeah, wow, that is, yeah, I see. I kind of want to play it. I'm a little late, but I kind of want to play that. All right.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do 5 micros there, guys, because I'm a little late to that. Do 5 micros there. Kind of upset I missed that. Let me see. 45. Well, it's only 2 minutes after my actual time to start there. So yeah, I wish I would have caught this a minute earlier. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time to retrace here, but I do want to add to this position if I can. Yeah, because that is pretty beautiful right there. Don't want to add too much since I'm technically late to the move here. And boom. Wow, we are pumping already. We're pumping already. All right. Unfortunately, I only have like 5 micros on that. Very unfortunate. This would have been a beautiful spot if you would have got in around like 770s or something like that. That would have been absolutely perfect. So let me see here. I barely got a 1-to-1 off of this. I'm going to see if I can hold this a little bit longer, but I might take a little bit of profit right here. It's barely a 1-to-1. Yeah, TP1 was hit, and I think I don't want to chase it, guys. So I'm going to take. If we can give me another pop up or not.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take some off right there. I would love if it comes back down to kind of pick me back up, but that's kind of wishful thinking at this point. This is beautiful. I don't even think I gotta mark it up. I think everybody kind of sees it. So there we go. There we go. So let's see if we can. Now keep in mind that to me the higher time frame is bearish, but this looks beautiful right here. Yeah, I kind of want to hop back in. Yeah, $100, man. $100 on Combine. I'm thinking about hopping right back in, but once again, I'm a little late, and I know there's going to be another bust somewhere. So let's see what we do with this area right here. Let's see what we do with this area right here. And she could just take it right back from me, but we'll see. Did we do our business up here? We might have, but let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your bedrock is here. Yeah, the only reason I'm not hopping right back in automatically is because I want to see what price does right here. Technically, my higher time frame is bearish, and I want to see if we have any more business to the upside here. So not going to hop in just yet. We may come crashing down right here. Kind of want to just donate back to the market. So there we go. Yeah. Yes indeed. Okay, cool. Good patience there. Good patience there. Yeah, let's wait for another set. I agree. So sorry guys that I couldn't like mark up like everything. I'm a little rusty and I'm just getting back to the market, but obviously the SBS was this right here. I kind of don't think I had to mark anything up, because I think everybody would have saw it. But if you're new, welcome. But I think this is what everybody saw right here. 2, here goes 3, 4, and I guess you can technically count this as 5 right here. Taps like this little move origin right here. I wanted to see a retest right here. So here was your plate right here. Here was your morning bread and butter. And since we took all this liquidity up here, or an area of interest up here, we had this big screen down. It's kind of why I didn't want to hop right back into this trade right here. So let's wait for the next bus here. Beautiful long, if you guys caught it, at like these 770s. Once again, that was a really stress-free trade right there. Went right to TP, right there from the fib line. Beautiful stuff. All right, so we're getting some interesting price action here. I'm thinking that we may want to come over here and run these lows. And that's what I'm thinking. We're getting closures below the orb high here, or orb low, excuse me. We're getting closures below that. So let's see. Honestly, guys, this is kind of a short setup right here. But we're shorting so low into the range right here. It's kind of dangerous. I'd rather not get chewed up. Trading Academy, yes. Yes, I am. Better than I was a couple weeks ago. So, hey man, life moves on. Life keeps on going. I had some nasty pitfalls last week. Lost control, lost my mind, dust myself off. We're back again. Starting over. Starting over. It was really rough time. Rough time mentally. Had to take a step back from this. And yeah, but let's just focus on the charts right now because we are moving here. So what you could see is something like this. Sorry. You could see like a short at this level. It's just that we're so low into this range, and shorts are. Cause I'm pretty sure we want to run this low right here. Then you're losing the XFAs. Oh yeah, XFAs are gone. XFAs are gone. I am starting back to scratch with combines. So I've been working on this one for a minute, just trying to get my my confidence back, but I lost them for the obvious reasons. Just going on tilt, not being patient, not seeing the setup that I want to see. And I don't want to blame it on the market because it's definitely not the market's fault. But man, the last week wasn't all that great for as far as the market was concerned. Everything was kind of chop city, and then the week before last was even worse. I'm like, yeah, man. So I still traded, but I just traded away from the public eye. And now I'm back to kind of, keep doing the things and see what we can do here. Taking it one step at a time, of course. Yeah, it was a rough week, man. Rough week, the last 10 trading days have just wasn't it for me. I was on big monkey tilt, like like really bad. I'm new to Top Step. I bought one account with them. I'm also on Combine. Very nice, Money Glitch. Are you trying to pass in 2 days? So the pass in 2 days things, yeah, you can. But I find that whenever you try and pass these combines quickly, you're almost going to bust your XFA just as quickly. So I would treat, if you're new to it, I would treat your combine the same way that you would your XFA. And there it goes again, guys. There it goes again. Once again, not taking plays that I call out. Once again, bearish engulfing here, close below or below, and then we push lower to run this low. Anyway, no, I'm not. So to answer your question, Money Glitch, no, I'm not gonna try and pass this one in 2 days. This is like my 3rd day in this combine. So if we see something juicy, maybe, but yeah, not right now. Not on this one. I'm trying to take my time with this one. So boom. There's some good structure though. There's some real good structure. Kind of not mad that I missed that one, but stops was kind of wide right there. Stops was a little wide. Yep. And I absolutely hate them. The amount of money I've donated to Top Step so they can pay their damn traders is like insane. So like now I'm just like, you know what, forget that. I'm gonna baby this combine just a little bit. Not gonna, as you can see, I'm on micros. I usually never trade micros on a combine, but and look at that reaction right there. Look at that reaction. Wow. Yeah, I usually never trade combines on micros or micros on combines, but now I'm just slow walking this. There's no rush. It's just simply no rush. Now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here because I could re-enter the short, but the objective has kind of been taken already. So I don't want to get hit and chop, but this is really trying to screen back to the downside, guys. If I were to enter, where would my stop be? We're going to cross in there on the 1. You could see something like that. Could see something like that. Alright, so we're going to crossing here on the 1 for the SMA. Pretty good conviction that we're going lower here. Close below the orb low here. If you don't know what that is, that's what I use that for. So let me see orb here. Kind of low in this range. Buyers could show up. Being very careful here. As to not lose my mind. Pretty sure we don't have any other news, but I think Trump is being Trump per usual. So we'll sit on our hands for a second. But I do still like a short right here. We'll see. Might try this here. Stops somewhere right there. Quick little stab. But let's wait. Oh, I guess let's wait for the 5 minute to close. Yeah, we're so low in this range. Like you're shorting right here when we took the low, and bulls could just like push this all the way up. But we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Kind of don't want to just give away my small little lead here for the day over some nonsense. But that was simply one hell of a reaction after taking that low that I marked up. One minute says this should push back down. One minute says we should push down from here, but obviously the market seems like it has other plans. So once again, good patience there. Good patience there, then just hop back into some useless stuff. So let's see what the market wants to do. Let's see what the market wants to do here, guys. And just like that, my short's looking a little ugly. Might not get that continuation down after all. We may have already done our business right here after taking this low. And we've done almost all the business that I can see from this area right here. We'll see. Alrighty, did that 5 minute close yet? I'm pretty sure it did. Probably closed pretty strong. Yep. Alright, took a low here. 5 minute bullish engulfing. That's a setup for a long. I'm not gonna play that though. I think that's gonna be a little bit too hard. So we might be sitting here, guys. We might be sitting here. Let me tell you why. Here's my reasoning. We took these highs up here, and we had an immediate reaction back to the downside to come and take this low right here. So now that we've taken this low, and we had all these buyers show right back up with this bullish engulfing and closing back into your opening range, I'm thinking we may see some ugly price action here. As much as I don't want to say that, I'm thinking we may see some ugliness right here. Because now I'm thinking that the market just doesn't know what it wants to do. We may be caught in between buyers and sellers. Expanded up here, expanded down here, took objective here, took objective down here. Now we're getting bullish sentiment in a bearish market. So if you were to catch anything today, congratulations. I was a little bit late to the parties, but this kind of looks like a sit on hands environment for now. I'm still kind of biased towards shorts only because my SMA is telling me that. Like if I didn't have this strong bullish engulfing right here, I would automatically be looking for shorts. But let's drop it down and see what we can find. So this is already looking like a whatchamacallit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good God, am I that rusty, guys? I should have been saw this. Wow, guys. I'm rusty. All right. Well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to
Order filled.
I'm gonna play that right there. 5 micros in, guys. Let's see if we want to continue lower. Kind of a risky play here. Should have been up here somewhere. But bullish engulfing here on the 1 minute. Let's see what she wants to do. Man, I really missed that one up there, guys. Jesus. Kind of off my game today. Very much so. Wow. I have no room to add to this. 5 micros is all I want to give. Five micros is all I want to give to this one, guys. We may even want to punch back up into this level here. And my charts are a little on the messy side too. Like that reaction. Do I add? Let's see if we can add here, guys. Let's see if we can add here. Being very careful here. Yeah, it's not the best trade. If I was up here, it'll make me feel a little bit more warm and fuzzy here. But you know what? I'm not gonna add to this. I'm not gonna add to this one. Once again, we took that low there. Buyer stepped right on in. This may be a hard one here, guys. Maybe a hard one, maybe a hard one, maybe a hard one. If we could just fall off the face of the earth, that'd be nice, but, you know, that hasn't been my luck so far. Might make an executive decision right here. Do we have another reason to go lower? Not really. Kind of having analysis paralysis right now. Like buyers are stepping back in. Kind of like, this is looking like that ugly price action I was predicting. Now, since I'm in a trade, now it doesn't really want to like flush, but it doesn't, it's just almost like, why would it go even lower than this? So I'm about to take this off. I think I'm on the wrong sides here, guys. It just doesn't make too much sense. Just judging from the market, we took the low, major low, all those bulls step back up. They're not just going to just give up that easily. So, yeah, they're not just going to give up. So, don't want to talk myself out of a trade, but this trade doesn't make too much sense. Yeah, why would we go lower than this?
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
close that, guys. I'm gonna close that one. We're gonna watch that one. Because I'm honestly saying to myself, why would I want to go lower? Took this low. I mean, we didn't take this low. We didn't take this low. Let's see what it does, guys. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Because this could be a bullish setup right here as well. And so I'm kind of caught in between my own analysis. I kind of have analysis paralysis right now. I see longs, I see shorts. Yeah, that's Friday long. I mean, yeah. And I think we didn't even tag it yet. To which we got real close, but we didn't like run to it. Could hop back in, but yeah, psyched myself out once again. It's looking like. If we can get a closure below in the 1 minute here, may try it again. Stops really tight. But that would mean I'm already over trading. All right. I'm gonna hop back in.
Order filled.
Stops a little bit tighter than before. Stops up here. Risking basically what I made today. See if we can get a 1 to 2 out of it. Kind of hoping that we just give up right here. And we can finally start to see this barreling down. If not, well, I could just be wrong.
Order filled.
Yep, stopped out on that one. Cool. All right, back at break even for the day. SMAs are really messing with me. Luckily, we're only playing with 5 micros here. We may get that choppy chop fest that I'm trying to avoid, but this still looks pretty good. What does price want to do? Does price wants to go up first? Doesn't want to go down first? Smaller time frame, SBS. Smaller time frame. Smaller time frame. Most likely. I mean, yeah. Yeah, trying not to get chopped up here, so we'll just wait. See if we want to come deeper into this level. These SMA crossings are starting to get on my nerves, though. We had a crossing down, then go lower. Now we got a crossing up. And I'm thinking of shorts. Yeah, this leg here kind of failed to make a new low, so I'm gonna wait on hands, sit on hands for a second. Excuse me. kind of like that reaction right there. Kind of like that reaction. This 1 minute SMA crossing up though. I need to just pick a side. I need to just pick a side and let it rock at this point. Yeah, we're getting that ugly price action that I was thinking about. Well, not ugly, but kind of like stuck kind of price action. Cool. All right, pushing up here. Don't know if I want to take this. Yeah, I don't know if I want to take that, guys. Because this could be your bullish SBS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, aligned with the 1 minute SMA. And I kind of don't want to, get ahead of it. What is orb on your chart? Opening range. Opening range. So basically the first 15 minutes of the day, I like to mark up that candle high and low. Kind of gives me an idea of what price is doing at that moment. So this is the first 15 minutes of the day. Usually when we get closures above or below it, we'll start to like move in that direction, give or take, for the rest of the day. So it's not 100%, but it is like a level on my chart that I just like to, keep my eyes on. And we are pushing up here, and let's get rid of these blue crossings. I don't like those. Let's get rid of those. Clean that up just a little bit. Seeing what we want to do right here. That I don't like this no top wick. That could just flip right back up. Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of stuff here, guys. I see longs, I see shorts. For every argument to go short, I see a long. So I'm about to dead the short idea, because clearly bulls are in play right now. All right, that would have been a stop out right there. This was obvious though, it still didn't do it, so I don't think shorts are in play. And we're going higher, 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 probably to do the rest right here. Okay. All right, and that's why I didn't want to just hop in the shorts again. Cause like it didn't make too much sense for it to go lower. So kind of glad I cut the first one, but that second one probably shouldn't have been in the first place. So that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, so sitting at break even for the day. I guess I should have kept this. I should have had my eyes right here after I said eyes here. Eyes here, Andre. I think I marked this up at 9:30. I was like, okay, yeah, we're gonna. This is gonna mess with us, and lo and behold. So if you caught the shorts and the longs and the re-longs again, good job. You're better than me. And I had it right here too. Eyes here. Hey. Eyes right there. It's all good. So that 5 minute probably closed. Yeah, look at this though, guys. Look how bearish the SMAs are, but look how much bullish pressure we're getting. Tricky. I think she got a little bit more left in her than that. Or maybe not. Oh, she took the whole thing. Wow. Now the real question is, what are we going to do from right here? I think she wants to take a little bit more than that. But I don't have a setup here. I don't have a setup. Man, from one end of the range to the other. Never sell NQ. Never sell NQ. That's like a running joke with me in my group chats. It's like, yeah, why would you ever sell NQ? Why would you do it? Should we do this? Yeah, it's never really a good idea to really short. If you zoom all the way out, technically speaking, if you're a king of market structure, woo, it's almost like, well, why are you ever bearish? Because the damn thing is never bearish. But anyway, that's just my 2 cents. All right, so we're getting a mighty reaction once again from that level that I said eyes here. We swept it, and now we're punching lower. I don't know what the heck to do. So I'm not about to FOMO into this though. That's for sure. The bullish engulfing is kind of dead in the water because we're not bullish. And this next 5 minutes is about to close. It's not just going to flip all the way back up. So, man, oh man. SBS up only. I feel you. The only way is up. The only way is up. So they say. But this is good though. I'm not FOMOing into stuff. I haven't blown my account yet. On a normal day, I probably would have did it. So. Bro, if we come all the way back down to take this low right here, I swear. I swear, if we come all the way down there just to take that low. Oh my goodness. We're the kings of market structure. We just don't press the button. Oh my gosh. Well then. Well, it's nice to see I still got it. Yeah, I can call the market with the best of them. Did you execute? Man, shut up, man. I gotta take that from you. Yeah, guys, I don't know, but I know that patience is going to be the thing. So where's my music? I keep turning off my music, guys. All right, if you're expecting the market to do anything right now, I got some bad news for you. Because right now, for what I can see, the market ain't got to do shit. Like nothing. Market ain't got to do nothing right now. Market said I did my job. Yep. Yes, indeed, Andre. Yes, indeed. Nice. Very nice. One-to-one coming soon. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't see anything right now. That's why I'm kind of like I'm not really talking about it. Sorry, I still got these numbers right here. I don't like typing them over and over again. So that's why I kind of just like have them there. So higher time frame is bearish, but your lower time frame is bullish. I mean, I don't know, guys. I mean, you could buy it. It's never a bad idea. Buy it, see if we want to just pop right back up. I just don't know where we want to go, so I'm personally going to sit on hands. We took the lows, we took the highs. I mean, this low is still right here intact. I know a lot of traders are probably still looking for this right here.
But it's like, we were just joking in the chat, like, don't be a dick for a tick. Like, that's, I mean, close enough, right? But who knows? Sometimes close enough is not good enough for the market. She may just come back down and get it. So my higher time frame still says to, like, look for shorts, but we keep taking lows and rejecting, and then taking a high and rejecting off of there. It's enough for quick pops, but I'm not trying to be a gunslinger, wild west type trader today. I've already taken a loss because of that, and sitting at break even. So we're just gonna wait. Yeah, I don't really see nothing right now. No, and I'm not dropping this down to the 30-second. I don't see a point. Stuck within the first 15 minutes. Yeah, I kind of agree, but like I said, it's never really a wrong. You can't go wrong buying Nasdaq, honestly. Like right now, I can almost guarantee you that if you just bought it right here, stop right there, then this will probably flip back up to give you a couple points. Make it the whole wick. It's a wide stop, but break even somewhere if we make a new high here. That's just me spitballing, guys. So no, I am not thinking about going long because there's nothing here. I don't know what you would have tapped into. 1, 2, 3. That's not the type of SBS I like to play, but I mean, sometimes you got to get a little bit granular or nitpicky with what you choose to pick for your swings. I mean, you could say 1, 2, and then 3 all the way up here, but it's like, when price does something like that, I'm kind of like, the sequence is kind of broken at that point, or completed rather. So I would not be looking for that. Hold up, sorry. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of lofty. And it's a little on the lofty side. If anything, if we get an engulfing here on the 5, I may just play it short. And then just wait for it to buy. Yeah. Yeah, we keep dancing in this range, and I kind of don't want to. I don't want to be demanding of price, going like, okay, yeah, you did that. Now you have to go for the lows or go for a high. That's not, that's not something you want to get into the habit of, like, oh, it has to do this, Yeah, just going off of the SMAs here, I think I still want to be short. I don't like going against a higher time frame SMAs. My music paused again for some reason, so let me get that back. There we go. All right, I may just play this engulfing candle here. See if we get any type of retracements. But we got to retrace though. Come on, don't go without me, NASDAQ. Come up a little bit. Do I have a lower time frame that agrees with me? Kinda. There's gotta be a way to tighten up that stop though. Could do the body of the candle there. All right, I'm gonna give that a shot.
Order filled.
Going off the 5 minute. See if we want to make new lows here. Five-minute engulfing. I'm bearish engulfing. SMAs are remaining bearish. Let's see if we want to come down and target these lows down here. Once again, really low here in the range. Could be another stop out. Yeah, looking like she's coming for it. I don't want to add to this position. 30-second doesn't look too bad for us to start pumping right back down. Or I could just be in the chop. 200 SMA right here on the 30-second, 20 right there to push down. Could do it, could not. Now see, it will skyrocket upside because you're in trade. Oh, absolutely. 100%. Because that's how it goes. Oh, Dre Futures is in. Pump it now. Pump it now. We got him, y'all. We got him again. He's in the trade. Pump it now. Take his sim money. Take his combine money. All right, so right now I would need like buyers to like let go. Like I would need them like just like, oh God, we're leaving our position. All right, so better entry would have been up there. That's fine. And that's your buyers not one to give up. Oh, that's a bearish engulfing on the hourly. This might have potential. I can't add to this though. Yeah, I cannot add to this one, boys. Crud. New low will be like down here somewhere. All right, can we get hot and heavy down there? Can we get nice and sweaty? Can we not retrace right here, which I know is probably going to do. Come on. So I take my screenshot and put it in the chat. No, wait. I was supposed to take profit. No, I want this to run lows though. Run some lows for me, NQ. Run some lows. That'd be sexy if you could run some lows, like real sexy. That'd be like really sexy if you do it. I got a feeling she's not going to do it, so I may take some partials. All right, buyers, let go. Let go right here. Let go right here. Let go right here. Let go right here. Let go right here, buyers. Don't you do it. Don't you? All right, cool.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take some off right there, guys. I don't like waiting for targets to get hit. And there it is. Oh, wait, it was 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, guys. I couldn't wait 5 seconds for it. Oh, man. Ah, shucks. NASDAQ. All right, well, there it is. There it is, guys. There it is. There it is. There it is. I couldn't wait 5 seconds, guys. Call me a bitch. I know you're about to. I know you're about to. Let me sip some coffee to get rid of it. Oh man, this is I'm gonna make a guys. Guys, I'm gonna clip this one. Oh, we're gonna clip this one. We're gonna clip this one. This is a clip. This is definitely a clip. This is a clip, 100%. Damn it. Where's my music? Oh, why'd you do that? NASDAQ. She says, scared money don't make money. That's cool. I'm gonna put this 25 bucks in the profit. In fact, no, I got burned on that last time. The last time I put my stop in the profit, it took me out for like 12 bucks, and then it kept on running, and I could have made like 700 or something like that. So what do we got here? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna still put it. I'm gonna put a couple dollars in the green there. Yeah, do something like that, and that's gonna be it. That's going to be it. Well, guys, we had some really good structure here. Today just wasn't my day to kind of spank this combine, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Take one more screenshot just to let people know that I trade. And here we go. Hey, Andre, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that one. Sometimes you just gotta pick a direction when price tips its hand. So the only reason for that trade right there, we're about to get stopped out here. The only reason for that trade right here was the bearish engulfing and the SMAs remaining bearish. We had one last target to the downside. I didn't know whether I wanted to take it or not, but you're not gonna get 100% in everything in trading, right? So now we took those lows, we rejected. I'm pretty sure this is going to hit my break even, my stop in profit.
Order filled.
And there we go. And And there we go. Very nice, guys. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Wish I could have put a full mini on that one, but this just wouldn't have been worth it. Not with the way with my mental has been going lately, so we'll take that. Why does my... Stop pausing the music. Stop it. Yeah, I'm gonna play that one over. I'm gonna play that one over. And now we've finally taken the objective. So now what do we want to do? Do we go in again? Why did it pause? Why did it pause? All right, so next, so now I'm seeing buyers step in. We're about to get another bullish engulfing here on the 5. I would imagine you could probably see something like this. If it wants to retrace, put your stop at this low right here. That's me just spitballing though. But it does look pretty nice. We've taken that objective to the low. We're at the bottom of the range. Why not? It's not an impossibility to think that we'll come back to the top of the range. Really strong right there. Really strong. Really strong. All right, so that looks like a really good play right there. Bearishing. Oh, okay, I keep getting confused. Bullish engulfing took a significant low finally. So you could see a retracement right here. Stop at this low down here. I kind of don't want to play it, but let's see. It might be worth it. Nothing about this says goes on besides this right here. All right, so you got that bullish engulfing. I would still wait for some type of retracement into this candle right here. It's a pretty wide candle, I'm not gonna lie. pretty wide candle. If it could like come down a little bit and then flip back up, that'd be great, but there's no guarantee for that. Definitely a B grade setup, but that rejection off the lows there was really nice. SMAs don't say do it yet though, but take low, take high, V-shaped recovery right there. I personally just don't want to get clapped, that's all. Mm, 3 minutes left in this candle, in the hourly. There are some people going long here, that's for sure. There are going to be some people going long here. Do I want to get long? I don't know. I don't know. You got filled right there if I want to play it. I think it's going to push down a little bit lower. I have no time frame that agrees with me right now. There we go. Nice. Nice. Man, that would have been a nice little call right there. Yeah, 1, 2, something like that. Range bound market. Yeah, the only reason I didn't do it is because I don't have an SMA that agrees with me. Not on one time frame. Like I can't even get it on the 30-second. So that my hands are kind of tied right there. But it looks pretty nice. I'm long on gold from bottom of SBS. Very nice. Very nice. If you're long on gold, it means a good. If your analysis is correct, that may mean that Nasdaq may tumble back down. Those two assets usually, in a perfect world, usually are opposites of each other, but I've seen plenty of days where they're like incongruents, where they're moving in the same direction. So we'll see. Yeah, see now how this would make me nervous right here. How we flipped back up but came right back down. That would make me nervous. Gold, SBS. Yeah, I can take a peek at gold. I'm not trading gold though. I'm not trading gold. Gold, SBS. Is this you looking for shorts? What did you say you were long? I mean, this is dubious. I would honestly look for a short here, honestly. But it's your call. Yeah, this, I wouldn't want to, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you got me on that one. Yeah, you kind of got me on that one. You could see an expanded reversal though, that's for sure. You could see somewhat of an expanded reversal, but I would kind of want to stay short in this one. Back to NASDAQ. Oh, it flipped back up. What? I take my eyes off it for 1 second. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Wow, that wasn't this candle just bullish? I mean bearish. This 5-minute candle was just bearish and then 20 seconds, it flipped it right back up. Hilarious. Very funny. Ah, this is a good day. I'll be chasing the trade right here. Maybe technically a 30-second right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you took that? You know. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now it's looking like it wants to rush to TPs. I'd probably break even on this trade though. This is the best price action I've seen in almost 3 weeks. Yeah, she's really been making this hard. But yeah, three weeks of watching price. This is the best I've seen it in a while. You could have played longs, you could have played shorts. As long as your stops were in the right place and you saw your model, you most likely came out with something today. Nice broad candles right here. I don't know if I want to hop into this though. It looked pretty good. Looked pretty good. Yeah, so this is another time to journal to just don't let the trades of yesterday affect your trading today. And that's kind of what's happening to me right now, because I don't know, this looked pretty decent for me to go long right there. I didn't take it because I don't know, I guess I wanted to be kind of sort of be done for today, but it was a decent trade. It was a decent trade. So now I think we're going to be ugly. Start the range a little bit. Objectives taken high, objectives taken low. If anything, you could just keep on buying this since we're at the bottom of the range. This could be an SBS right here. 1, 2, 3. Could be like a little Model 1 situation. Could maybe risk half of what I made for the day. See if this wants to flip back up. But we will see. We shall see. Yeah, this still hasn't crossed yet. test this area right there. Test the 20. Maybe a quick scout. And she's gone. All right, wanted to test the 20 right there. Very nice. Fair enough, NASDAQ. Fair enough. It doesn't look too bad. One, two, three. Well, I kind of want to go long here. But NASDAQ keeps playing with my emotions. Yeah, NASDAQ keeps playing with my emotions right here. Yeah, it's kind of like she doesn't want to know. She doesn't know what she wants to do right here. Yeah, it goes up and then down and up and then down and up and then down. Yeah, she's a little confused, guys. But this is technically an SBS. Not the model that I usually like to play. I usually like to wait for it to tap some type of move origin. Alright, well, glad I didn't FOMO into that. 1, 2, 3. Can my music stop playing? I need you, music. I'm about to give it a try. Just want to see if it wants to rip lower or not. All right.
Order
Let
filled.
me give it a shot. Risking about $100 here, probably. Okay, 70. I can deal with that. See if we can make a new high here. That'd be nice, but Alright, cool. Kind of don't want to see it come back now. Tight stops on this one. Tight stops, tight stops, tight stops. I had a little bit of room to add. Keyword had.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add into that one right there. Risking the break even for the day. See if we want to come up and make some new highs. See if that wants to flip up. Would be nice if it does. Very nice. Very nice. Kind of want to take some off. Let me just break even right there. All right, guys. This trade is at break even. I'm gonna take 5 off right there. Now we're gonna think about it, and we're gonna let the rest of it rock till Kingdom Come. Not too bad there. Not too bad. In fact, I may take. Let me take
Order
2 more off
filled.
right there. Or 3. Ah, shit. I meant to take 2 off. Okay. All good. Send a little screenshot to let people know that I trade. And boom. We're going to let the rest of that one just go, guys. Once it come back to break even, that's fine. But we took the lion's share right there, so.
Order filled. Yep.
Stopped on the rest. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Made him another 120 bucks there. Slow and steady. Little jabs. I might just end the day right there, honestly. Sorry for the loud typing. I may just call it right here. May just call it right here. Let's see. Switching headphones because this is getting on my nerves. All right, so for everybody who doesn't see it, I think everybody can see it, but technically we didn't have any sweeps though, so I guess that's kind of the main problem there. 1, 2. Yeah, we didn't have any sweeps there. That's why that didn't work out. There may still be potential for this. Yeah, guys, we may still have a long here. We might still have a long here. Hey there, Andre. Appreciate it, man. This is a Model 1. I don't usually like to play the Model 1 all that much because I'm not too good at it. But I'm a Model 2 type of guy, if you know what that is. Today didn't see good SBS 2. Exactly, Andre. I'm an SBS 2 type of man. But sometimes, and if I didn't see it. I played Engulfing Candles today on the 5-minute. Got me a couple points. But this could be your Model 1 right here. SMAs are weird sitting on hands. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sit on hands on this one. I'm gonna place myself in a brief mute, but I'm not going anywhere. Well, guys, talk to me, guys. How is everybody doing? How are we doing this session? Are we break even? Are we red? Are we green, red, neutral? Let me know how everybody's feeling out there. Let me know the trades that you've taken. All that good stuff. I wish you could post like screenshots in YouTube, but you can't. So yeah, let me know how's your day going. I took it all on gold. Sorry to hear that money glitch. Sorry to hear that money glitch. And since I'm not looking at this, let me take a look at the old. You're getting a crossing here on the 1 minute. I don't know why this will want to keep on pushing down, but it's pushing down. So I'm gonna stay out of it. Let's look at gold for a second. Yeah, I see. Yeah, kind of the key there was kind of the SMA. Like it just didn't suggest that it wanted to go down lower. Yeah, I'm sorry about that money glitch. I see push down. Yeah, it wasn't exact. The 20 and the 200 wasn't exactly expanded enough. So like once we like took this high, that was kind of like this. It's like your little ICT thing right here. Take a high, fair value gap, play a little bit lower. It's all good, money glitch. It's all good. I am starving. Andre, nothing today. Tomorrow more. Yep. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another day. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on here. So 5 minute engulfing. So you could have did the same parameters right here for this trade. The problem is I don't know how low that would want to go, but same trade as the last one right here. Could have did something like this. I don't know how low this wants to go though. In fact, I would have just tried to get a 1-to-1 on this off this one. Yeah, that's a little too rich for me. All right, guys, let me give this another like 10 minutes or so. I'm not gonna look at this all day. I kind of want to just lock up my account right now. I may just do it. Might just do it. In fact, yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna lock it out. Yeah, I'm done for today. All right, guys, my account is locked. Can't do any more damage, even if I wanted to. I'm gonna let this rock for a second. Be right back. down we go. Look out below. Look out below. Look out below. Hope we're staying safe, ladies and gentlemen. Hope we're staying safe. Hope we're staying safe. Yeah, it doesn't look like this played out all that well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I don't know when you would have bought right there, so 5-minute close. This may just punch on down some more, guys. Shorts. After all that, shorts was the answer. Shorts was the answer the entire time. Today was a decent day, though. 326. I mean, what? 4 more days of that and we'll pass. Taking it nice and slow. No complaints from the trading day. No complaints. No complaints. I am literally starving, though. I need to find some food. I don't know. I keep hearing that everybody keeps saying, "Oh, terrible price action, bad price action." This looks pretty good to me. I don't know. Maybe I just see the market differently. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this looks like a pretty decent day in my eyes. Levels were respected. Obvious levels were called out. Honestly, this is a good day for me, to my eyes. Yeah, it looks like this is about to fall out of the bed. It kind of, maybe we can take it on practice account. Maybe make a new low right here. Actually, no. That's a bad habit. That's a bad habit. Nah. No demo account. Absolutely not. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna let the stream run here for a minute. But I will be doing other things. But please feel free to not stick around, I suppose, if you have other stuff you have to do. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you can on your way out. All the things. But my trading day is pretty much done. But I do want to keep the stream up just to, see if anybody wants to trickle in, have questions and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next day trade. I'll be here tomorrow morning, 9:30. See you guys later. Don't get caught up, money glitch. Don't get caught up.